Hey, what's going on? It's Jacob. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to share with you some big misconceptions in affiliate marketing and share the difference between what most people's expectations are and what the actual reality is. Now, this isn't from theory. This is all from what I've experienced over the last 2 and a bit years in the affiliate marketing world, and going from having no affiliate marketing business, no online business, to doing multiple 6 figures in affiliate marketing specifically over the last 2 years. So these are things that I've learned firsthand and wanted to share with you in this video today. But before we dive into it, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Just click that big red button and then also click the little bell icon so you get notified every time I drop a video. And if you like this content, if you like the content that I'm putting out on the channel, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. So let's dive into the video. The very first common misconception that is perpetrated in the affiliate marketing industry is that you can make millions and millions of dollars overnight. Now look, don't get me wrong, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but unless you get very lucky, it is not going to happen overnight. There is a very wide range of skill sets that you need to learn in order to have a sustainable career in affiliate marketing and consistently make money every day, every week, every month, and year after year. You need to learn about building funnels, you need to learn about copywriting, you need to learn about driving traffic. Affiliate marketing as a business model does eliminate a lot of other things that we don't have to deal with. But I don't want people going into affiliate marketing thinking that it's all going to happen so quickly because all they have to do is sell somebody else's product. It can be an incredibly lucrative business model, but it will still take time to implement. One thing that I share a lot on this channel is that the path to success isn't linear. It doesn't go up in a straight line like this. It's definitely more of an exponential growth, which means that it's going to start slowly and go along like this, and then it can really pick up pace. And generally that happens because your skills start to all click, money starts to come in, so you can reinvest in coaches, you can reinvest in training, you can reinvest in paid traffic, and that's when everything really starts to go. So that's the first myth that I wanted to debunk. You can make a lot of money, but it's not going to happen overnight. And that brings me to the second misconception. That is that the people out there that are just getting started, people that are struggling to get results, think that super affiliates have this secret traffic source. And I'm here to tell you that it doesn't exist. Where all the big super affiliates are getting their traffic from is the websites that you spend your time on every single day. Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, Snapchat. That's where all of the traffic comes from. There's so many people out there that sell all these secret traffic sources that, they're selling people the hope and the dream that if they can just get access to this traffic source, it's going to change everything. It doesn't exist. All of those platforms where you spend all your time as a consumer are the traffic sources that the big affiliates are using to grow their businesses. So please don't fall trap to anyone that's selling you secret traffic sources that you haven't heard about, because it doesn't exist. And that brings me to the third misconception, that affiliate marketing will be easy. Now, don't get me wrong, it is a very simple business model, right? All we have to do is take a link that tracks everything for us. We have to send people to it, and if they buy, we get paid. It's one of the most simple online business models that you can follow. But there's a big difference between it being simple and it being easy. As I said in point number 1, this definitely isn't going to happen overnight. There's a lot of things that you have to learn in order to make it happen, and it's going to take hard work every single day with whatever strategy that you want to implement if you want to succeed long term and not be, a flash in the pan. There's a lot of people out there that sell this false hope that affiliate marketing is easy. And like I said, the affiliate model is very simple, but it is going to take you hard work. It is not easy if you want to succeed in it long term. You need a clear plan, a clear strategy, and then to go and put the work in every single day to make it happen. And that brings me to the fourth misconception, and that is that if you can just find one winning product, that it can change everything and you can retire rich off affiliate marketing. As I've said before, it changes so quickly. The industry keeps moving, affiliate programs change, products come, products go. ad campaigns change, everything moves so fast that a product might work for a while, it might sell really well for a while, but then a competitor might come along and that stops working, or the company stops selling it, or the affiliate program changes, or their terms change so you can't keep running ads the way that you were. The point is, you've got to be consistently looking for new opportunities. And I spoke about this in another video. It's a very fine line between being super focused on what you're trying to achieve, but also keeping one ear to the ground in the industry and continuing to look for new opportunities, because you just never know when things are going to change, and you need to have backup plans in place if your main source of income with affiliate marketing changes. And I've also spoken in other videos about the fact that while the affiliate marketing business model is fantastic because it simplifies the process, all we have to do is drive traffic, and if someone purchases, we get paid, we also lose a lot of control. And with that, we need to have backup products ready to go, backup strategies, backup traffic plans ready to go in case things change, so that our business can continue to grow even if one product that we might be selling stops working. And that brings me to the fifth and final misconception, that you can learn affiliate marketing once, like it's this very discrete skill set that you can learn once and then keep making money forever. Just like digital marketing and just like really anything online, it moves so quickly. Things are changing every single day. So every day, in addition to doing the work that you're doing to build your business, you need to continue to learn, because the internet marketing industry moves so much faster than most offline industries that you might try and build a business in. So when you do get started in affiliate marketing and when you do start seeing results, please don't sit back and think that because that's working for you, you've hit it big and it's all working for you, that it's going to keep going that way forever. Campaigns, paid ad campaigns can change, they can stop working, affiliate programs can stop. There's all manner of things that can change. And so you need to keep developing new skills, keep coming up with new strategies, keep exploring new products that you can promote in order to be successful with this long term. That's a big tip with anything in business and anything in life really, is that you need to be learning every single day, but specifically with affiliate marketing because of how fast the industry moves. And everybody's looking for that kind of silver bullet. Everyone's looking for the one thing that they can implement and it's going to keep making money over and over again, and it just doesn't exist. Things can work for a while and then they can stop working and they can change. The industry changes, so you need to keep learning and keep implementing and testing and tweaking new things. And that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you found that helpful. Like I said, I wanted to share those 5 misconceptions, the big difference between people's expectations and the reality when it comes to affiliate marketing. So hopefully you found that helpful. Hopefully if you're a beginner out there looking to get started in affiliate marketing, this will put you on the right path and you can avoid falling into some of the traps that we've spoken about today. If you like this content, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to click that big red button and subscribe to the channel, and then click the bell notification to get notified every time I drop a new video. Thanks again for your time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.